Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Meghalaya Conrad ki sangma ulapri paidbah yak oyster mushroom cluster ha Mendipathar ha North Garo Hills ha ka katlai trik nailar. Kani ka projek lashna ha ka jinglut ka baship ho klur tingka ka bathmu ban penslor ya ka jingrab jhortin. Lingba kani ka cluster ha ka kala ka baningkong kindan hadu shi hajar ngot kinongrab ki ban yo jingmentoy. Ya kani ka Mendipathar Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society kabalayalam dak sister Rose batla baitingka daka scheme SFRUTI naka MSME batlay klur labay pisa naka sorkar jila. Haba jingkren ha kani kasngi Chief Minister ulaong baka jingdawa jhortin kalanang kiyo hakaling kiri perthay bat ka jingtaw yakum kini ki jaka reptin kan penmentoy kinong rep. Ulapan pa baka sorkar kelas dang yaki program baper ban kersyan yaki nong rep. Haba penslur yaki nong rep ban shim yakakam reptin, ulaong baka sorkar kan ajing hikay bat jing kersyan yaki riu shimet bat kiseng kibakwa ban sya hikay. Haka ni ka program ulakawe lamaru ihikali pick up bat kitop, kiban pendan kam ban pelang jeri ni raba. Ulakdo baka thai North bat East Garo Hills, kaklan ban penmi jeri. Bat ka sorkar kan kersyan banyarap da ka bapen bahasyu ban sanjeri ban kentiu ya kador kamur banyarap ikinong rep banyo ya kamay kaji ka bakhamhe kajing yo nong. Ka sorkar kala airu ya karabas sings unit siya ka Mendipathar Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society.
All these machines that you're seeing out here is all powered by solar. So so you can imagine the cold storage. As well as the dryers, the crushers, this slicing machine and the crushing machines. All of them are powered by solar energy. About 180 kilowatt kV power has been installed out here. And like this, almost all the processing units that we have put up throughout the state are all on solar power. And if you were to calculate all of that put together, you must be touching almost, hundreds and hundreds of kilowatt of solar energy that we are producing just for the processing sector. So this is a very good example and a great aspect that we are very, very happy about. These are the dried mushrooms that are there. Yeah. But definitely it will taste much very differently. So this is the kind of products that are coming out of this. And their packaging is done with this one? Yes. Okay. This one, huh? Very good. Okay. And all this is powered by solar? Solar power.
We can make pickle from other products.
Right.
So the flexibility has is available. So spawn lab can be used over the year for multiple different spawns.
Right.
And the value is hair storage will be
rotating here. Right. And then the harvesting. So plastic don't have any effect of it, huh? No.
So otherwise, previously the process used to be cut by hand or something, then prepared for very long process. So now they have a lesser time.
Right. Okay. Where are you from? From Germany. Now you stay here. Right? So you are spending more time in the food store.